In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and display your business hours on your page. Clear, accurate hours help customers know when you're available, reduce missed messages, and set the right expectations. So let's walk through it step by step. First, go to your About section. On most pages, you'll find this in the main navigation on desktop and within your page details on mobile. The About section is where your essential information lives, and it's the place to update what visitors see at a glance. Once you're there, look for Basic Info. Under Basic Info, click Add Hours. This opens a simple set of choices so you can match your page to how your business actually operates. You'll see 4 options. Always Open is ideal for online services, customer support, or businesses that operate around the clock. If people can reach you anytime, choose this to make that clear. Permanently Closed is only for businesses that have shut down for good. Using it avoids confusion and prevents people from traveling or calling when there's no service. Temporarily Closed is for pauses in operations, such as renovations, seasonal breaks, or unexpected closures. It lets your audience know you'll be back, just not right now. Open on selected hours is the most common choice. Pick this if you have specific days and times. Enter the days you're open and the exact opening and closing times, and make sure they align with your local time zone. If your schedule varies by day, reflect those differences so customers don't arrive early or late. After you've selected the option that fits, click Save. That single click confirms your choice and publishes the hours to your page. Once saved, your page will display business hours to visitors wherever page details appear, including the About area. This makes planning easier for customers, guides when they should call or message, and builds trust by showing that your information is up to date. If your hours change seasonally or temporarily, the same options make it straightforward to switch between temporarily closed and selected hours, or to return to Always Open when you resume full availability. A quick reminder as you set times: double-check AM and PM settings, and be consistent with your typical time zone so your hours match what customers expect. That's all it takes. By going to your About section, using Add Hours under Basic Info, choosing the option that best describes your availability, and clicking Save, you've made it simple for visitors to know exactly when you're open and ready to help.